Very good morning to you. Then did you watch the Poson Udane program last week, last night, last evening? Putala එක බැලුවද? Poson Udane එහෙම ඉස්කෝලේ තිබුණා. Then I also sang a song. මම සින්දුවක් කිව්වා නේද පුතේ? All right. Then anyway, I think you have completed your activities related to the singular and plural forms. ඒකවචන බහුවචන අංගේ activity එක කරගෙන යන්න කියලා කිව්වා. Then I asked you to do activity 10. In activity 10 you found the singular forms and plural forms of nouns. නාම පදවල ඒකවචන බහුවචන ස්වරූප ටික. Now there is activity 10. Has suppose you have done this. ඔබලට මේක කරපු අය activity 10. Yes, right. Very good. හොඳයි. Then I am going to write the sentences on the board. Those who haven't done, please do it just now. Now the first one, there were 3. Then I am going to write them. Now this is activity 10. Fill in the blanks with the plural form of nouns. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ඒව සම්පූර්ණයෙන් ලියවිලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ පුතේ ඈ. ලියන්න නැතුව එහෙම බෑ. ලියන්න නැතුව නිකම්ම වචනේ දාලා හරියන්නේ නැහැ. සම්පූර්ණයෙන් ලියවෙන්න ඕනේ. Then I am going to unmute your microphones. හොඳයි පුතාලා. Now give the correct answers. Now the first one. There were 3 mice. There were 3 mice. සම්පූර්ණ වාක්‍ය ලියවිලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ. There were 3 mice on the roof. Right, very good. And the other one, Colombo and Candy are big cities. Why අකුර තියාගෙන S අකුර දානවද? Why අයින් කරනවද?
Why
Why අයින් කරන්න ඕනේ. Right, very good. Very good, well done. Colombo and Candy are big cities. And the other one, I have 2 brushes. Yes, very good. Very good. I have 2 brushes. Brushes කියනකොට අගට es දාන්න ඕනේ. නිකම් s එකක් එහෙම දැම්මොත් කියවන්න වෙන්නේ brush. That is wrong. Then you have to say I have 2 brushes to clean my teeth. Yes, very good. Teeth is the correct one. ඇත්තටම පුතේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ටත් brushes මේ දෙකක් තියෙනවද දත් මදින්න? මන්ද මට නම් තියෙන්නේ එකයි. All right. Anyway, they say I have 2 brushes to clean my teeth. And the other one, number 4. These buses are broken. Very good. These buses are broken. Es endone. And the other one, number 5. I saw 2 babies. Why අයින් කරනවද? නිකම් S දානවද? IES දානවා. Right, very good. I saw 2 babies. I saw 2 babies in the cot. And the other one, number 6. That tree has brown leaves. How to spell leaves? L-E-A-V-E-S. Right, very good. Leaves. That tree has brown leaves. අර ගහට තියෙන දුඹුරු පාට කොළ. And the other one, number 7. The cook brought many Knives. If අකුර තියාගන්නවද if අයින් කරනවද? If අයින් කරනවා. Right, very good. Knives. VES. Good. And the other one, number 8.
Shop.
The shops. The shops are open
Shop.
today. Number 9. These children. Right, very good. These children are good readers. මේ ළමයි හොඳට කියවන අය පොතපත. And the other one, number 10. Keep your pencil boxes. Yes, very good. Boxes. Now, can you say like this? එහෙම කිව්ව හැකිද? එහෙම කිව්වොත් කියවෙන්නේ කොහොමද? Box. This is wrong. Then you have to get boxes like this. And you have to put marks out of 11. Put marks out of 11. Now for this one, you find 2 words. Then has also got 11 marks out of 11. Right, very good, well done. Yes, you have got 11 marks out of 11. Right, then 10 marks. Right, good. Now we are going to today's lesson. Yes, Puta?
Sir, the higher name තියෙන්නේ.
Eight
Sir,
the main-
මාගේ 9
තියෙන්නේ. Sir, the higher තියෙන්නේ.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11? Because in number 3, there are 2 blanks. 2 වෙන එකේ හිස්තැන් දෙකක් තියෙනවනේ පුතේ. That is why you get 11 marks. Right.
Yes, sir.
Then I'm going to mute your microphones for the next lesson. Now here's the today's lesson. Now let's get the other side. We are going to step into unit number 4. Get unit number 4. What can you see? දැක බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් දේවල්. Then now the first dialogue is a choral. ඉස්සෙල්ලම ඔන්න හෙන රණ්ඩුවක් තියෙන්නේ ඈ. Now at home, when your brothers and sisters are there, they take your pens and you take their pens and pencils. Pen pencil වලට හෙන රණ්ඩු යනවත් පුතේ ගෙවල් වල. අක්කගේ පෑන් ටික මල්ලි අරගෙන මල්ලිගේ පෑන් ටික නංගි අරගෙන වැඩ ගොඩයි. Now here also you find that kind of a quarrel. Manuk and Manuka's sister. Now we have to quarrel like this. Manuka and Manuka's sister. Are you ready? Then this is the way. Then when I am here, I am Manuka. And when I am here, I am Manuka's sister. Then ඔන්න දෙන්න එක්කලා හෙන රණ්ඩුවක් තමන්ගේ බඩු ගැන. Hey, don't put that pen in your mouth. Why can't I? This is my new pen. No, it is not. That is my black pen and those are my color pencils too. Oh, well, these are not yours. Yours. These color pencils are mine. No, those color pencils are mine and that pen is also mine. No, they are mine. Don't shout. Let's not fight about this. All right. Let me see. Is this yours? Does it have your name on it? No, it doesn't. Then this is my pen and those are my color pencils. Maybe your color pencils are in your bag. Let me see. Yes, they are here. Sorry. Now that is the end of the quarrel. Now get the meanings. තේරුම් ටික ගන්න හොඳ පුතාලා වාගේ. Hey, don't put that pen in your mouth. ඔය පෑන කටේ ගහන්න එපා හලෝ. Don't put that pen in your mouth. Why can't I? ඇයි මොකද මට බැරි මගේ පෑන කටේ ගහන්න. මම මගේ පෑන කටේ ගැහුවාම ඔයාට තියෙන අමාරුව මොකද්ද? කියලා හෙන රණ්ඩුවක්. Why can't I? This is my new pen. No, it's not. That is my black pen and those are my color pencils too. That is my black pen and those are my color pencils too. Oh, well, these are not yours. These are not yours. ඔයාගේ නෙමෙයි හලෝ මේවා. These color pencils are mine. They are mine. No, those color pencils are mine and that pen is also mine. Those color pencils are mine. ඒ පාට පැන්සලුත් මගේ. And that pen is also mine. ඒ පෑනත් මගේ. No, they are mine. Don't shout. කෑ ගහන්න එපා හලෝ. Don't shout. Let's not fight about this. Let's not fight. අපි fight නොකර ඉමු. කණ්ඩු නොවී ඉමු. All right. Let me see. Let me see. ඔබලන්ට. Is this yours? Is this yours? Does it have your name on it? Does it have your name on it? ඔයාගේ නම එකේ ගහලා තියෙනවද? ලියලා තියෙනවද? No, it doesn't. අන්න දැන් අහුණා. තමන්ගේ පෑන නම් තමන්ගේ නම ලියලා තියෙන්න එපා. Then this is my pen and those are my color pencils. This is my pen. මේක මගේ පෑන. And those are my color pencils. Color pencils ඒවත් මගේ. Maybe your color pencils are in your bag. ඔයාගේ color pencils ඔයාගේ bag එකේ ඇති. Maybe your color pencils are in your bag. Let me see. කොබලන්ඩ. Let me see. Ah, yes. They are here. Sorry. අනේ වනේ මගේ bag එකේ ටික තිබුණේ. Sorry. Then we are going to act out the dialogue. Then I am going to be Manuka. You are Manuka's sister. Are you ready? Then I am going to unmute your microphones. Then I am Manuka. Who are you? Manuka's sister. Hey, don't put that pen in your mouth.
I can't use my new pen.
No, it is not. That's my black pen and those are my color pencils too. No, those color pencils are mine and that pen is also mine.
They are mine.
Don't shout. Let's not fight about this. Let me see. Is this yours? Does it have your name on it? Then this is my pen and those are my color pencils. Maybe your color pencils are in your bag.
Sorry.
Right. Good. හොඳයි. හැබැයි පුතේ එක දරුවෙක්ගේ ස්පීකර්ස් වල සද්ද හෙනට වැඩි කරලා. මම කියන දේ ආයි මට ටිකක් වෙලාවකින් ඇහෙනවා. Then now this time I am going to be Manuka's sister. You are Manuka. Who are you?
Manuka.
Then I am Manuka's sister. Right, now let's start. 1, 2, 3.
Don't put that in your mouth.
Why can't I? This is my new pen.
No, it's not that. My black pen and those are my color pencils.
Oh well, these are not yours. These color pencils are mine.
Those color pencils are mine. And is also mine.
No, they are mine.
Don't shout. Let's shout about this.
Hmm. All right.
Let me see. This yours. Is have your name on it.
Have your name on it.
No, it doesn't.
This is my pen. Those are my color pencils. Your color pencils are in your bag.
Let me see. Yes, they are here. Sorry. Then we have to go to the grammar lesson related to that one. ඒකේ පුතේ අපිට ගොඩාක් හම්බුණා this, that, these, those කියන ඒවා. Now when you were in grade 4, you learned that lesson. පුතාලා 4 පන්ති ඉන්නකොටත් ඕවා ඉගෙන ගත්තා. But today also you are going to learn about this. There you find this, that, these, those. Now you have to get the Sinhalese meanings. Now our main lesson is this. And the other one, that. Next one, these. The other one, those. Now if you have something, if you see something near you, and if that is a singular noun, you say this. This කියලා කිව්වහම තමන් ළඟ තියෙන එක දෙයක් පෙන්වන විදිය. Now I am going to draw a ball. Now here you find a ball. Then you say this is a ball. This is a ball. Then I am going to write it. This is a ball. Now here you find a bat. A bat is there. Then this is your hand. මෙන්න ඔයාගේ අත. ඇඟිල්ලෙන් මෙහෙම පෙන්නනවා. Then you say that is a bat. That is a bat. Now you find it is near. This is a ball. That is a bat. Now the other side. Now you find some balls. They are near you. ඔයා ළඟ තියෙන්නේ. Here are some balls. And you show them to the others. අනිත් අයට ඔය පුතාලා පෙන්නනකොට now you use your both fingers. අත් දෙකෙන්ම පෙන්නන්න. These are balls. These are balls. Right? And here you find many bats. Several bats are here. Now I am going to draw 5 bats. Another bat is here. Now you say, those are bats. Those. Now you have to draw 2 heads. Those are bats. මට දැන් මේකට යටින් ලියන්න ඉඩ මදි හින්දා මම මෙතනින් ලියනවා. ඔය පුතලා එක ලියනකොට පස්සේ යටින් ලියා ගන්න. Those are bats. Right? And you find this. Only one is here near you. That only one is there. Then these bahuvachana taman ළඟ තියෙන. Those ඈත තියෙන. bahuvachana වලට අයිති දේවල්. That means plurals. Now we say this, that, these, those. Then you have to say after me. ඔන්න මං කිව්වට පස්සේ කියන්න ඕනේ. Are you ready? This.
Yes.
This.
That.
That.
These. Those. This. That.
that,
these,
these,
those,
those,
this,
these,
that,
that,
these,
these,
those.
those,
Right. This,
this,
that,
that,
these,
these,
those.
those,
Right again. This,
this,
that,
that,
these,
these,
those.
those,
Right. Now take your writing books and put today's date. Dinida ganda putala. Put the date and put the topic this, that, these, those. And you have to draw these pictures. Me pintur andindone. Now you have to draw these ones and write the sentences. Me kendala yatin liyanne putti mati ida madi hindane metana gatte. Now you have to put today's date. Draw the pictures. Pintur endala liyanne. Yes, finish then. Has Sebastian finished? Ready for Babala? Did you draw this? And the pute? All right, good, good. Now, as you have drawn these ones, we are going to the lesson. Now, in this page number 33, you find this, that, these, those. Make dila tiyana sentences. Me vakya tika toy putala kiyando. Look what they have to say. The first sentence. Read the first sentence, please. The first one.
These are my
These are my fingers. ළඟනේ තමන්ගේ ඇඟිලි තියෙන්නේ. අපි ඈතට අත තියලා කියනවේ those are my fingers. That is wrong. Now these are my fingers. Very good. And the other one. Now the next
This
sentence.
is my ball.
This is my ball.
My ball.
And the other one.
This is my ball.
This is my book.
That is a box and those are chairs.
That is a box.
Very good, very good. Well done.
And
Good. Now you have to
yeah.
go to this one. Activity 1. දැන් ඔය පුතාලා මට activity 1 කරලා දෙන්න ඕනේ පුතේ ඈ. Now you must do activity 1. Right. Now put the topic activity 1 and complete the sentences using the correct word. This, that, these, those. Finished then? Has Sebastian finished? Vetiver Babala? Right, good. The first one. Here are my pens. What should be the correct one? These are my pens. Very good.
These.
Meva mage pen. These. Tamal laga tamai tien. Has Sebastian put these there? Right, very good. And the other one. Look. Boy is running fast.
That boy.
That boy is running fast. That. Look. Balanda. Kila ethane pennan. That boy is running fast. And the other one. Girls are playing in the playground.
Those girls.
Those girls are playing.
Those girls are playing in the playground.
Very good, very good. Those girls. Ang arganula mighty. Those girls are playing in the playground. And the other one. Is my country.
This is my country.
This is my country. Right, very good. This is my country. මේ තියෙන්නේ මගේ රට. මේක මගේ රට. that එහෙම දැම්මොත් that දාන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ අපි අඟහරු ලෝකෙට ගිය වෙලාවක අඟහරු ලෝකයේ දිහා ඉඳලා බලාගෙන අපේ රට ගැන පෙන්නනවා. That is my country. That is not the correct one. Here you find this is my country. And the other one, stars are bright.
Those
stars are bright. Very good. Those stars are bright. අර තරු හරිම දීප්තිමත්. These දාන්න බෑනේ. These දානවා නම් තරු ටික අතට ගන්න ඕනේ කඩාගෙන. මෙහෙම. These stars are bright. That is wrong. Then you find those stars are bright. Now you have to put marks out of 5. Now has supposed to got 5 marks out of 5. 5 marks, right? Very good, very good. You have got 5 marks. Very good. 4 marks. 4 marks ගත්තා යත් ඉන්නවද? Right, good. And the other one. Now we have to give sentences using this, that, these, those. Activity 2. Describe things you see, find in outside the class using. දැන් මේ වෙලාවේ ඔය පුතාලා ක්ලාස් එකේ නෙමෙයි ඉන්නේ ගෙදරනේ ඉන්නේ. Now you have to think of the things that you see. ගෙදරින් එහා පැත්තේ ගෙදරින් එළිය හරි ඔය පුතාලට පේන දේවල් ගැන වාක්‍ය හදා හදා කියන්න ඕනේ. Now you have to use this, that, these, those. You don't want to write the sentences. වාක්‍ය ලියන්න ඕනේ කියන්නයි ඕනේ. ඔන්න මම කියනවා ඉස්සෙල්ලම. That is a coconut tree. Like that.
This is a pen.
This is a pen. Right. Good.
That is
my sister.
that. This is
That is my
that is a mango tree.
That is a mango tree. තව මට පුලේ ගියා වගේ සද්ද ඇහෙන්නේ. Right.
This is my finger.
This is my pen.
These are my fingers.
This is
My
these are books.
Right. These are books. Right. Very good. Very good. Well done.
books and
This
Hondai
is a television.
Right. This is a television. That is a television. Right. Like that. It's enough. Now let's get the next one. Activity 3. In activity 3, you find a living room. Living room, සාලයක් තියෙන්නේ. හැබැයි ඒක කිසිම පිළිවෙලකට නැහැ. Now there is an untidy living room. Now there are many things. They have kept it in an untidy way. First of all, list the objects in this untidy living room. මේකේ තියෙන දේවල් වල නම් ටික ඔක්කොටම ඉස්සෙල්ලා හොයාගන්න ඕනේ. You have to find the names of the things that you find in this living room. වාක්‍ය හදන්න ඕනේ. ඒ දේවල් වලට කියන නම් ටික හොයලා දෙන්න. Then again I am going to unmute your microphones. Then what are the words that you know?
pillow.
Bag.
Cupboard.
Is there a bag?
Cupboard.
Cupboard.
dash
laptop, computer,
umbrella
umbrella, basin, pillow,
books, cupboard,
some books,
computer, door,
teapot,
chair,
glass. And
umbrella
under this chair, what do you find?
door,
මේ පුටුවට මොකද්ද පුතේ තියෙන්නේ? A jacket pin. හැට කට්ටකුත් තියෙනවා.
brush,
Good, good, good. Yes, good. Now you found the names of the things in the living room. Right, good.
glass,
හොඳයි පුතේ. A glass is there, pillow is also there. Then you have to write sentences in order to keep this room tidy. Keep the living room tidy. Make බොහෝම පිරිසිදුව හොඳින් තියාගන්න. ඔය පුතාලා කරන්න ඕනේ උපදෙස් ටිකක් මෙතන තියෙනවා. Instructions. Now look at the instruction. Write some instructions to make it tidy. Keep the teapot in the kitchen. Teapot එක ගිහිල්ලා කොහෙද තියන්න ඕනේ? කුස්සියෙන් තියන්න. Now that is the first one. Now there is activity 3. In activity 3 you find keep the teapot in the kitchen. Activity 3. Write some instructions. Write some instructions. Instructions කියලා කියන්නේ උපදෙස්. To make it tidy. To make it tidy. Now here's the example. You find keep the teapot in the kitchen. In the kitchen. Teapot එක ගිහිල්ලා තියන්න කුස්සියේ. Then I'm going to give another sentence. Keep the basin in the bathroom. Now this is the first one. Keep the basin in the bathroom. Right, good. Now like that you have to give some instructions to keep this living room tidy. දැන් ඔය පුතාලා මේ living room එක බොහොම පිරිසිදුව තියාගන්න, හොඳින් තියාගන්න, කරන්න ඕනේ දේවල් ටික මට කියන්න ඕනේ. Then give the sentences that you would write. පස්සේ ලියන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා කියලා ඉන්න ඕනේ.
In the bathroom.
Again.
keep the glass in the kitchen.
Keep the glass
kitchen.
in the dining room. Dining room කියන්නේ කෑම කාමරේ. කෑම කාමරේ glass එක තියන්න.
In the bedroom.
Yes.
Keep the hat is in the bedroom. Keep the pillow is in the bedroom.
මොනවද කරුව ඔය කියන්නේ pillow is in the bedroom? That is not the correct one. Keep the pillow. Keep. තබන්න.
Keep the pillow in the pillow.
Very good. Keep the pillow in the bedroom. Another
Keep
sentence.
the toothbrush in the bathroom. Keep the toothbrush in the bathroom.
Keep the toothbrush in the bathroom.
Spoon in the kitchen. Keep
Yes, give the sentences. වාක්‍ය පිටින් දෙන්න ඕනේ.
the plate and spoon in the kitchen.
Very good. Keep the plate and spoon in the kitchen. Right, very good. ඒකම පුතේ kitchen කියන එක වෙනුවට අපිට දාන්න පුළුවන් dining room කියලා. Dining room කිව්වේ කෑම කාමරේ. Keep the plate and the spoon in the dining room. Right, good. And what else?
Keep the dustbin in the bathroom.
Keep the books in the study room. ගෙවල් වල තියෙන්න ඕනේ පාඩම් කරන්නත් කාමරයක් නේද? සාලිත් ඔය පුතාලා එහෙම නව තමයි නැතුව නෙමෙයි හොඳයි. Keep the book in the study room.
Keep the ball in the toy room.
Keep the doll in the toy box. අපිට එහෙම දැම්ම හැකි. Keep the doll in the toy box. සෙල්ලම් බඩු තියෙන පෙට්ටිය ඇතුළට සෙල්ලම් බඩුව දාන්න.
Keep the glass in the kitchen.
Keep the glass in the kitchen or keep the glass in the dining room. What is meant by dining room? Kෑම
Can
කාමරය.
කාමරය
හැට්ට කට්ට කොහෙද තියන්නේ? කුස්සියද?
නැහැ.
එහෙනම්
නැහැ.
Bedroom.
bedroom එකේ ඇඳ උඩ කටු තියලා තිබුණොත් නිදිය ගන්නකොට ඇනෙනවනේ. That may be the dressing room. ඇඳුම් අඳින කාමරයට කියන්නේ පුතේ dressing room. Keep the jacket pin in the dressing room. Yes. And you find the dressing table. Right. Good. Then you have to කාගේ හරි speak එක ගොඩාක් වැඩි වුණා. Alright. Then you have to write 10 sentences. වාක්‍ය 10ක් විතර ලියන්න ඕනේ මේකට. කොබලන්ට ලියන අය? Right. Very good. Now put activity 3. Activity 3 කියලා මේ ටික ලියාගන්න. ලියාගෙන ගෙදෙද්දි ඉතුරු ටික ලියන්න ඕනේ. Right. Now you have to leave space. ඉඩ ඉතුරු කරගන්න ඉතුරු ටික ලියන්න. Now write down these ones. මේ ටික ලියන්න පුතේ. Right, finish then. Did you write down these 2 sentences? කොබලන්ට ඒ වාක්‍ය දෙක ලියපු අය? Right, good. Now you have to leave space. ඉඩ ඉතුරු කරන්න පුතේ ඈ. Now I am going to the next lesson. That is read and write. There you find a description. That is activity 4. Activity 4 ඉක්මන් කරලා ගන්න පුතේ. Then I am going to read out the paragraph. And you have to write answers to these questions. මේ ප්‍රශ්න වලට උත්තර ලියන්න ඕනේ. මම කියලා දෙනවා ඡේදය. I am Patum. My class is grade 6E. හරියටම හරි නේද පුතේ? My class is grade 6E. There are 30 children in my class. The classroom is not big. It is beautiful. The walls are pink. There are lots of colorful pictures and charts. There is a big blackboard and a teacher's table. The desks are yellow in color and there is a steel cupboard. In the corner of the room, there's a wooden desk to keep books. The desk is next to the cupboard. There is no ceiling fan, but there are 2 big windows. Right? Now get the meanings. තේරුම් ටික ගන්න හොඳ පුතාලා වාගේ. I am Patum. මම තමයි Patum. My class is grade 6E. That is your class. There are 30 children in my class. ළමයි 30 දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා පන්තියේ. The classroom is not big. It is not big. It is beautiful. හැබැයි ලස්සනයි. The walls are pink. රෝස පාට ගාලා තියෙන බිත්තිවලට එහෙම. There are lots of colorful pictures and charts. Colorful pictures. වර්ණවත් පින්තූර තියෙනවා. Charts. වගු එහෙමත් තියෙනවා. There's a big blackboard and a teacher's table. ලොකු blackboard එකක් තියෙනවා. And the teacher's table. ගුරු මේසෙ. The desks are yellow in color. Desk වල මොන පාටද ගාලා තියෙන්නේ? කහ පාට, yellow in color. And there's a steel cupboard. Steel cupboard වානේ cupboard එකකුත් තියෙනවා. In the corner of the room, කාමරේ කෙළවරක class එකේ මුල්ලක, there's a wooden desk to keep the books. Wooden desk, ලී වලින් හදපු desk එකක් තියෙනවා. To keep the books. The desk is next to the cupboard. The desk is next to the cupboard. Cupboard එකට එහායින් තියෙන්නේ. There's no ceiling fan. There isn't a ceiling fan. But there are two big windows. ලොකු ජනෙල් දෙකක් එහෙමත් තියෙනවා. And you have to write answers to these questions. මේ මේවට උත්තර ලියාගෙන එන්න ඕනේ පුතා. මාක් කරගන්න ඒවා. Activity 4. Activity 4. කොමන්ඩ් එකත් කරන අය? Right. Very good. Very good. Activity 4. And the other one, activity 5. The other one is activity 5. Now this is the other homework. There you find my father's tree house. ගහක් කුඩ ගයක් එහෙම හැදුවාම ඒ කියන්නේ පැල් කොටයක් හදනවා අපි. Now the Chena cultivators, the farmers make these kinds of tree houses. Then you have to fill in the blanks with these words. මේ වචන ටික දාලා හිස්තැන් පුරවන්නත් ඕනේ. Activity 4 and 5. Now there's another homework that you find from your workbooks. ඊළඟට workbooks අතට ගන්න. Then from your workbooks you have to go to this place. මේක නම් ඔක්කොම ටික කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ පුතේ. Then up to page number 26. Workbook. Workbook up to page 26. 26 වෙනි පිටුව දක්වාම කරන්න. Now hence the so will do those ones. Comment කරන අය. Right. Very good. Very good. හැබැයි ඉතින් ඊට ඉස්සෙල්ලා මම එදා දීපු වැඩේ පොඩ්ඩක් බලලා ඉන්නත් ඕනේ. Then I asked you to do this activity. Activity 6. Singular and plural. දැන් මේක කරගෙන ඉන්න කිව්වා එදා. කිව්වද? කොමන්ඩ් එක කරපුවා activity 6. Right. Good. Good. I'll mark it. Activity 6. Activity 6. Here you find singular and plural. Singular, plural. Now give the nouns that you put to these two cages. Then I am going to unmute your microphones. Then you are going to be your teachers, put tick marks, but don't use red pens. Now here you find cat, cats. Cat, cats. Hari. Ilakata ganda. What is the next one?
Mango.
Mango, mangoes. Very good. Mangoes. ES. And the other one? Buses. Bus. Buses. Bus. And the other one? Woman. Women. Woman. Women. And the other one? Mouse. Mice. Mice. And the other one? Diary. Diaries. Diaries. Next one. Church. Churches. Church. Churches. Good. And the other one?
Monkey.
Half. Half skill hai kutti no ned. Half.
Hat.
Halves. Bagaya. Baga. Next one. Opute.
Monkey.
Monkey. Monkey must come to this place. And here you find monkeys. Monkeys කියනකොට y අකුර අයින් කරනවද?
නැහැ.
නෑ. s අකුර නිකම්ම දානවා. Monkeys. මට කියන්න ඇයි එහෙම කරන්නේ?
ඒක නීතිය.
හේතුව මේකේ y අකුර අයින් වෙන්නේ නැත්තේ. ඩයරි කියනකොට y අකුර අයින් වෙන්නයි මේකේ අයින් නොවෙන්නයි හේතුව.
Y අකුරට කලින්
y අකුරට කලින් vowel එකක් තියෙනවා. right. Very good. Very good.
අකුරක් තියෙනවා.
Yes, very good. Now you know the rule then. And the other one, table. I'm going to write it here. Table. And on the other side you find tables.
Table.
Now the other one, toffee. Toffee should come to this place. Toffee. On the other side you find toffees. Next one, roof.
Roof.
Right. Roof must come to this place. මට ඉඩ නැති හින්දා මෙතන ලියන්නේ. Then roofs. Roofs ලියනකොට F අකුර අයින් කරනවද?
නැහැ.
නැහැ. නිකම් F දානවා. Roofs නිකම් S අකුරක් දානවා. And the other one, lorry. Lorry must come to this place. Then lorries, how to spell lorries? L-O-R-R-I-E-S. Very good. Lorries. And the other one, Dutch. Dutch. Badges. Badges. මට ඇහුණ එක්කෙනෙක් කියනවා badge. That should be badges. And the other one, goose. Goose, පාත්‍යය. පාත්‍යයෝ, geese. Goose, geese. And the other one, desk. Desks. Desks. Right, very good. Then has suppose you got full marks. Comment full marks kattaya. Right, very good, very good. Madai putta. Then you have to complete the task that I asked you to do. Karanda kiyapu weda tika okkoma karanda one daru, Right, it's enough for the day then. Now your next online class will be held according to your timetable. Have you got questions to ask? ප්‍රශ්න එහෙම තියනවද පුතේ? නෑ. It's enough for the day then. I wish you a good day. Bye bye. ඔව් පුතේ.
Activity 4 කරද්දී
ඇහුන්නේ නැනේ පුතේ.
TUPS book එකේ activity 4 කරද්දී ඒ ඡේද ලියන්න ඕනිද?
ඔව් ඡේද ලියන්න ඕනේ. ඡේද ලියන්න නැතුව වචන ටික ලියන්නේ තට්ට ගෙඩියද?
Activity 4 එකේ
activity 4. නෑ පුතේ ඡේදය ලියන්නේ. ඡේද ලියන්න නැතුව ප්‍රශ්න ලියලා උත්තර ලියන්නයි ඕනේ. You have to write the questions and the answers. Is it clear then? All right, it's enough for the day then. I wish you a good day. Bye bye.
Same to you, sir.
Same to you, sir.
Bye.
Same to you, sir.
Yes, bye bye.